How to get your real estate license in Ontario. In today's video, we are going to discuss what are the admission requirements, how much is the cost involved in getting licensed, and what are the different phases of it. And further, if you are interested in joining a growing real estate team and want to scale, links are given in the description. We will be more than happy to discuss one-on-one. Okay, let's jump directly into the first and the foremost thing is your admission requirement. As per the guidelines given by the Humber College, you need to have a basic secondary degree or GED, like a general education certificate. If you don't have the equivalency, maybe you moved out of Canada, out of US, you can prove your equivalency for doing a VES evaluation done, which as you being as a new immigrant, you did that already. You can reuse that as a qualification. Further, there is a salesperson program admission exam that can be done to prove your equivalency. So these are the different factors that can be used, and the most important thing is there is a registration fees of $75 here. You can always contact the Humber College team. They'll be more than happy to assess you on your admission requirement. Three most important steps in getting your license. First step is your pre-registration phase. Under this phase, it consists of your 5 courses and 4 exams you have to give and 2 simulation sessions. As the name indicates, simulation means it's like a real-time environment that you do, like your offers, how you deal with the different clauses. All those things are done in the simulation exam. Each of those corresponding courses have those exams that you need to clear as you progresses in your course. Okay, you did your exam, you cleared it, everything is done. You have to go for registration with RICO. So there are 3 steps for that. The education qualification that you have already done. Next is you need to fill an application for a new salesperson on their portal. And once that is done, you have to purchase your insurance coverage. So which is like for your error and omission insurance. So there are other steps involved apart from them. For example, you need to get your police clearance certificate. There are organizations, for example, commissioners, front one, or you can directly talk to the police to get that certificate done so that you don't have any criminal charges against you. And the last phase, which is called the post-registration phase. So this means you need to renew your registration with the RICO. So there are 3 compliance thing that you need to do. First is the compliance mandatory training that's there, and there are 2 electives. Do you have a choice? You can select either you go for investment, commercial, residential. There are choices given for you to complete that post-registration phase. And the most important thing is what are your timelines? Once you are registered with the course, you have 2 years to finish that course end to end with the Humber College. Now let's dig deep into what is your cost involved to be licensed. So the overall cost comes to for the exam, which is you have to give to the Humber College, is $4,160. There are other costs involved. That is your registration cost, $60 for your police check, and then you have your RICO licensing fees, which comes to $595, and then you have your error admission licensing fee, which is like $445. You have your initiation fees with a CREA and ORIA organization, and then if you have to pay fees for which board you are registering with. Are you going with a TRAB or you're going with a MRAB? So there are different boards in Ontario. You need to pay fees for that. There's one-time registration fees. If you talk about Toronto, the Toronto Real Estate Board, this comes around $460, and there is like a yearly annual fees for the membership where you can access to the properties, you can book showings and fill your forms. It's for $860. So the overall cost for this phase is like $3,200. So to answer your question, the overall cost, which is a combination of your pre-registration, your registration phase, and your post-registration, it comes around $7,500. Okay, now your registration is done, all those formalities are done. The most important part is joining your brokerage, because you need to be part of a brokerage, then only you can act as a salesperson. So what is the process involved? Basically, you need to think what is your split involved, what are the desk fees or monthly fees involved, what type of trainings and mentorship you're getting out of that. Talk to various brokerages which are popular in your area and get an idea of it. But based on our experience, we always recommend it's not about the brokerage that you're joining, it's about the people, the culture you're joining, so that they can help you to scale in your real estate business. We have already done a video how you can scale your real estate business, and further, if you are a new agent, how you can make 100,000 in your year 1. So do let us know if you are interested to join a growing real estate team. Links are given in the description, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching our another educating video. If you like it, definitely hit that red color brick which is called subscribe, because it will help you to scale your real estate business, and do share in your network. Thank you.